Enlightenment, the ultimate goal of life. And this retreat at the Ancient School of Wisdom in Bangalore, 26th to 28th of September, reveals the 3 simple steps to enlightenment. Enlightenment is not one aha moment. It's not one magic. No. First you must be awakened, then you must be enlightened, then you must be liberated. And in this retreat, we will walk the path together and we will traverse the journey of life. First, how we can be awakened. Then we have to drop the mind, be free from the body, mind, ego, live as the divine soul and experience the supreme in the temple of our heart. But it's a retreat where we set aside the world for 2-3 days and get into the depth of our consciousness so that we can be awakened and enlightened.
Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Every morning when we wake up, we must practice meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is my personal quiet time. Meditation is dhyana. It is silence.
It was not just a retreat, but it was a soul-stirring experience that really evolved me in this transformation. Thank you so much. I bow down to all of you. Thank you.
Today's focusing is on being awakened. Tomorrow's focus is on being enlightened. That's why it's blank.
So shut them out. Shut them out. Lekin is the key to
Only I can say, Guru Govind dono khade kaake lagu paon, balehari Guru apno, jin Govind milaye. There is no limit for love. Love is flowing in everybody's heart, root to root. And everything was arranged very well. Rooms were very comfortable. Food was very good. We enjoyed everything. And his bhajan session was excellent. Discourses were very nice. Thank you so much for everything. And we really enjoyed and liked the stay. Thank you.
This is white band. Bring back consciousness. Done. Bring back consciousness. One more.
body is not the 5 senses. Chatter. Oh. Okay. Don't back it. One more time. Check. Free from the body and free from the senses. Is it in English? 5 words. Stop it.
This retreat will be over. We all will go. So we have fun. We have fun, Dhamsharad, this, that, okay, go. Our biggest challenge is eternal happiness. And eternal happiness comes from what we are doing. If you look at air, it will always say eternal happiness through enlightenment. But people don't know the meaning of enlightenment. Why are we talking? Why are we meeting for this air enlightenment retreat? Why we are meeting? Ultimately, we are meeting because we want to be in Satchit Anand. We are not. You're losing the awakening that this is all a drama. Ye leela hai maya, kuch bhi sach to na. This is a drama. Now, those who are awakened know it's a drama.
We all know. हम आपको आंखों में प्रभु बसा ले तो फिर क्या हो. प्रभु कहीं दूर आसमां में नहीं, प्रभु तो हर जीव में बसते वो, जो हर जीव को प्यार करता, प्रभु को सच में प्यार करता वो. हम आपको, अगर प्रभु को अंदर बसा लिया तो और क्या चाहिए? यू डेवलप दैट लव फॉर गॉड. प्रभु बसा ले तो फिर क्या हो. So it's all about loving God. So one important thing in today's bhajans, enlightenment, is all about love. Divine, beautiful, divine love. Not bekar ka love. Not ki love ke, not I love you because I need you, but I need you because I love you. There's a difference in the love. मुझे तुमसे प्यार इतना शब्दों से ना कह सकूं, मगर जी नहीं सकता तुम्हारे बिना. मुझे तुमसे प्यार इतना शब्दों से ना कह सकूं, मगर जी.
कितना how easily, how simply air could move us from the stage of awakening to the state of enlightenment. For me, it was an experience when he said, drop the mind. You may get all the knowledge from scriptures, from colleges, from different gurus, but this practical way of making us understand how mind cheats us, how mind pulls us away from our real purpose was so enlightening by itself. But now, after every retreat, we go home with a lot of commitment to follow his path. And the one crux he said, or the one major thing he said, drop the mind, which is basically bringing so many negativity and toxic thoughts into us and making us feel that this is impossible. And he has made this so easy for us as always. And we are so blessed to have air in our life.
To be happy, flip from mind to consciousness. To be happy, flip from mind to consciousness. Just still your mind and kill your mind. To be happy, flip from mind to consciousness. To be happy, choose to live in today. To be happy, choose to live in today. For yesterday is gone, tomorrow not yet born. To be happy, choose to live in today.
The last 2 days have been fabulous here. What to tell about this? I have no words. Everything was beautiful here. Everything was divine. Everywhere SIP was there. That's what I can say. Thank you.
To be happy, flip from mind to consciousness. To be happy, flip from. So it's a good idea to learn the happy song. We can give you this rhythm if you want this music. So you can sing it anywhere, play in your mobile and sing.